Chicken Alfredo Pasta, Italian comfort food. Subscribe and like for more tasty recipes. Ciao! Welcome to our channel, where we're going to indulge in the comforting flavors of Italy. Today, we're excited to share with you the secrets of making a creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Italy. To create this delightful Italian creamy chicken Alfredo pasta, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 8 ounces fettuccine pasta, or any pasta of your choice. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 cloves garlic. Minced 1 cup heavy cream. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, salt and pepper. To taste, fresh parsley, chopped. For garnish. Now, let's experience the flavors of Italy. Step 1. Cook the pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water until al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Step 2. In a separate pan, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the bite-sized chicken pieces and sauté until they are cooked through and lightly browned. Step 3. Lower the heat to medium. And in the same pan with the chicken, add the minced garlic, heavy cream, grated Parmesan cheese, and unsalted butter. Stir the mixture continuously until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Step 4. Add the cooked pasta to the Alfredo sauce, tossing it gently to coat the pasta evenly with the creamy goodness. Step 5. Season the creamy chicken Alfredo pasta with salt and pepper to taste, enhancing the flavors of the dish. Step 6. Transfer the creamy chicken Alfredo pasta to a serving plate or bowl, and garnish it with freshly chopped parsley for a touch of color and freshness. And there you have it. Creamy chicken Alfredo pasta, a delightful and comforting dish that represents the authentic tastes of Italy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this Italian culinary journey. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, buon appetito and happy cooking!